I'm from TV Asia. We have right now with us Mr. Chandu Patel, who is also well known as Mr. C.K. Patel, who has lived in USA since 1974, I should say. And one day he decided to pack up all his bag and come back to India. So now I would just like to hear from him what exactly the message he has for the fellow NRIs. Sir, could you please speak few words for them?
Actually, I'm a former president of NFIA. When we all left from India many years back, we graduated in India. And Bharat Mata had paid quite a bit for us. I think we have an obligation to pay back. And I think now, if you see most of the NRI have a love for motherland, they are doing their role. And if more and more people continue doing their role, what is due and what they have to do for motherland, I think Bharat Mata will come out like anything. And what Narendra Bhai Modi is doing now, Narendra Modi is a good friend of mine. In year 1993, he was my guest for 3 days, and Narendra Bhai is doing fantastic job today. And, many NRIs have so much love for him. And what he's after, if everybody kind of follows, I think Mother India will come out like anything. And my message to all NRI friends, that whatever you can do, in not necessarily that you can contribute with money only, but you can contribute to your knowledge. If you know something, what better thing you have learned in the United States or any country you are in that matter, just give your knowledge, give your know-how. And if you have money, there is a lot of work you can do in India. If you go in certain areas, like in Adivasi belt, and there are still many people need a help. So if you can go out and if you can have some money and do some work, I think those poor people really need your help, and a helping hand will make India better. Right. So all NRI should stand up and do whatever they can in their capacity to help Mother India. Thank you so much.
And sir, I have one more question. Like, it's everyone's dream to, go to any other country abroad, from India to some other country, right? So what was that one thing which motivated you to come down all the way from California to India, and you have almost spent half of the life there? So what was that one thing which motivated you to come back to India?
I want to tell you, one little story here. Many years back, I lost my father. But when he was ill and he could not make it back to India, he was in the United States. मेरे फादर ने मुझे कहा कि बेटा अपने देश की एक मुट्ठी माटी और एक सीसी गंगाजल मेरे लिए लेके आना. I tell you that message was so much for me, and in my life, I came from nowhere, many people helped me to go to United States for my education. So I never wanted to become even citizen of United States. And I decided to come back. Since last 7-8 years, I am doing a lot of charity work. I'm running several hospitals as well as education centers in Gujarat to give back. Now it's time for us to give back to India, and once you start doing it, and this is something you got to do it. Once you do it, the fun of doing it is so much. You get a happiness from yourself inside of you. Thank you.
So if I have to total up, sum it up, I would just say कि जन्मभूमि के लिए जो प्यार था आपके लिए, उसने आपको यहाँ पे वापस खींच लाया, right?
Exactly. मातृभूमि का प्यार माँ का प्यार जैसा होता है वैसा ही होता है. So that brings us back. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir.